Hey everyone, we're back playing The Farmer Was Replaced. We're not sure which leaderboard we're going to go for this time, so we had Perplexity spin up a little wheel for us. Let's see what we land on. What do we got this time? Oh, sunflowers!
Is that sunflower?
That's sunflower.
Oh.
All right, we're going to go for sunflowers. Let's do it. We've already done a little bit with sunflowers. Let me pull up the code that we have right now. Okay, there we go. So now it's planting the sunflowers. So what we did here is basically in the entire grid of our map, we plant sunflowers. And the way you harvest more power is by harvesting the sunflower with the most petals first. So you can kind of tell that some of the sunflowers have like 10 petals. I can't remember what the range is, but there's a range of like 7 to 10 petals or something. So what we want to do is if 10 is the most petals out at the moment, you want to harvest all those. Then you want to harvest all the sunflowers with 9 petals, and then 8, and so on and so forth until all of them are harvested. And that's going to maximize the speed at which you're harvesting power. So we got that going. Not too bad. I think now let's just see how this does on the current leaderboard.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Uh-oh, 0.
That's not good.
Well, we're close to 100,000 now.
It takes a long, that's 49 minutes. That's not good.
Well, it's okay. Number
77.
77. Well, look, the leaderboard's
Okay.
all in this magnitude.
28 minutes.
Oh, so we're not even
Hey, there's Coyotes again.
coyotes.
Yeah. So there is a lot of room for improvement, but I guess it is, we're not in like a ridiculously terrible range for our time.
Yeah.
Cool. 49 minutes, so the top one is 28.50. So now the question is like, what do we actually improve on this? So we can go over what this code is actually doing right now.
Yeah, let's do that because I didn't actually even look at it.
Okay, yeah.
I know you implemented it.
So essentially, in a while loop, we're doing this run sunflower job here. We don't need to change hats to straw hat because that is not relevant. Go to origin, I don't think is relevant if you have a clear, right?
Yeah,
That's,
true.
That happens by default, so we can get rid of that. That's good. We're cutting down on code right away. So what is happening? What it does is it goes through the entire grid, which is world size, and it plants sunflowers on every single position in the grid. And then it gets the petal count each time it plants a sunflower. So as soon as you plant a sunflower, you can measure that sunflower, and that gives you the number of petals on that sunflower. Yeah, so you measure the petal count, and if there is a petal count and it's not already in our sunflower size tracker, we've got the sunflower size tracker dictionary here. Then we create an entry. We create a list for that petal count. So say like this petal count that I got was 10 or something. We create an empty list if an entry does not exist for 10 yet. Otherwise, do nothing, I guess. This is for else pass. Then if you do have that petal count in the dictionary already, you just append this coordinate to it. So now you've got, by the time you've gone through and planted all the sunflowers, you've got this dictionary that contains lists of coordinates where sunflowers exist with that petal count. So I guess it's 7 to 15. I was wrong with my 10 before, but going through the range of petal counts, you are going ahead and like basically just moving to each position as you go through. So yeah, as we talk about this, there's obvious room for improvements here. I mean, we're not even checking if these sunflowers are fully grown when we're going through and harvesting. We'll think about that. Another room for improvement is right now it's kind of just like haphazardly going through that list of coordinates for each petal count, and it's not trying to find like what the nearest one is to it and going directly to that one first. Do we need to implement some kind of like shortest path algorithm for this or something? I don't know.
We can be naive and just sort the, we could sort all the flowers or the sunflowers that have petal 15s or 15 petals, let's say. We could sort them in increasing distance from the origin or something like that.
Okay.
If we measure, if we measure the petals,
yeah,
and it's like 15, let's say, we could just greedily use fertilizer on that if we have it.
Oh, because we know that's going to be one of the ones that. Yeah, we're going to need to. Oh, that's a good idea.
First,
or should we?
Might not have fertilizer.
I don't know if we need to use fertilizer while we're going through planting though, because what we could do is.
Yeah, we could wait till we get to like somewhere close to the ending of our.
Well, no, I just mean when we go to harvest something, and if it's not harvestable, we can use a fertilizer at that point, and then immediately harvest it after that, right? Is that how fertilizer works? I think it just immediately makes it grow.
Yeah.
So right, so there's.
Oh yeah, if we get to it.
If we get to it, and it's not harvestable, then we use fertilizer
absolutely.
at that time.
Yeah, and then we have an issue with our moving. This doesn't account for the fact that you can like, if you're on the last column, you can just move east.
Oh, right.
We didn't know that was like the more efficient way to do it.
Right. Okay.
Let's do this one first.
This one first? Yeah, go for it. Do this one. And then after that, I can do the fertilizer one. We'll do the leaderboard run after we do this. Let's see how it goes.
Let me just test this. Okay, it should go from 0 to 9, do a flip, 9 to 7, do a flip, and then 7 up to 0, do a flip. 9, 7.
Nice. Wait, did it go down?
It did look like it.
Yeah, but maybe it didn't actually do that.
Okay, let's debug it. Let's check.
No. Yeah, no. There's like a move up above too. Do you see up above? What is that?
Where is that?
Ryan,
Oh no!
What's that
What is
there?
this?
Is that a copy
I
paste
didn't.
error?
Yeah. I had copied it
Oh, that's why.
because I thought we might need that.
So it was just running the original code there.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Well, just let it go. Yeah.
Up, down, up.
Nice.
Okay.
Beautiful. Okay. Leaderboard run. Let's do it. Come on, less than 49.
Less than 49.
Less than 49. Come on.
It's less movement.
Let's go.
Yeah!
That's a couple minutes.
Okay. 43, so we're ranked 47.
Nice.
Got some work to do. Nice.
That's the warning.
Oh, it's just we're trying to use
fine.
water when it's not actually ready yet.
Okay, so now I think the next goal is going to be using fertilizer whenever we get to a sunflower that we can't actually, or that's not harvestable yet. And I'm not even going to bother like checking num items. I'm just going to use items dot fertilizer, and that's it, right? Like literally just if we can't harvest it, try using fertilizer and then harvest it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, leaderboard run number 2. Let's go, or 3 at this point. So we're looking for better than 43 minutes. 43 minutes.
Ooh!
A little better.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question is if we use weird substance on infected, what are we farming? Sunflower. But let's try that out. Let's see what that gets us.
So do we have a way to find out if a plant is infected?
Well, I think we'll know it's infected because we use fertilizer on it, right? So if we say if num items dot fertilizer is greater than 1, we use it, and then we also use items dot weird substance. And if we don't have weird substance, it's not a big deal because it'll just have a warning like this.
Right.
Yeah, let's run this. Here we go. So 41:15 was our last one. Ouch! It's worse. How did that happen? Is it consistently worse? Yeah, it's consistently worse.
We gotta reread the fertilizer.
Did we misunderstand something? How did adding the weird substance make things worse? That's the question.
This has some side effects. When plants grown with fertilizer will be infected. When a plant is infected, half of its yield is turned into items.weird substance when it is harvested. Weird substance can also be used on plants, which has the effect of toggling the infected status of the plant and all adjacent plants.
Oh, adjacent plants.
That's what's happening. We thought that didn't have any side effects.
Okay, got it. So that's the issue, is now it's infecting other plants around it. Let's get rid of this weird substance.
But then it says if you use it on an infected plant that has healthy neighbors, it will cure the plant but infect the neighbors and vice versa.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Did we just not read that?
I never read that.
We just focused on the good part.
Yeah, I was just hoping it was all good.
Okay, yeah. This is not good. But yeah, we learned. Let's note it down.
Instead, I'm up for going for this item right here, refactoring the code to get rid of anything that's generic.
I like that.
So let's try that. Yeah, I feel like this is no longer generic. I think we've made this specific to sunflowers now. There wasn't too much logic that was generic.
Okay.
So I doubt this is gonna change anything about our time, but it's worth running a leaderboard run right now just to see what that did.
Yeah.
I think 41:15 is still our target.
Yeah.
Seems like it's the same.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so refactor code to get rid of unnecessary generic code. Done.
No benefit to that.
No benefit. I do want to see where we are relative to like other people around us, though. Like, we want to move up in the leaderboard a decent amount.
Just a minute would do wonders for us.
A minute would do a lot. Yeah. A minute would do nice. 5 minutes would be incredible. I mean, it seems like
Top 10 is within the realm of possibility here.
that's right. Yeah, top 10. I mean, 5 minutes is a lot, though. Like, once we're getting down to like the minute by minute.
Water usage.
You want to do that next, or the stop harvesting when 9 snowflakes or sunflowers remain?
I think when 9 snowflakes remain, we can
pop that one out real quick. Although we're thinking next we're gonna go ahead and do this little problem right here. Like, we'll stop harvesting when there's 9 sunflowers remaining, and then just go back to the origin and start planting again. Seems like a pretty low-hanging fruit to tackle, so let's just get at it here. I'm gonna throw this into Leaderboard Run to see what happens. You know,
it's gonna have some errors for sure.
I'm gonna throw it in here. Oh, what?
Oh, it's a function.
Function. Oh, that failed.
Oh yeah, that's.
Yeah.
I would say.
It's probably gonna work otherwise.
Oh wow, it's actually.
All right, 41:15.
Doesn't it look weird on the right here?
Yeah, it looks really weird.
Oh, because are those the 9 that are?
I mean, that'd be. Look at that.
Oh,
that's a big improvement. That's a huge improvement. And also, why are they all on the right-hand side?
I bet we're already doing this optimization where we're appending XY coordinates to a set.
That's 21st place now. Not bad.
Yeah, we'll have to look at
how did that improve things so much. I
want to learn how you're tracking the positions. We are stumbling into top 20 territory almost.
20, yeah. We didn't think it was possible. Yeah.
But we should technically prioritize watering sunflowers that have a lot of petals.
Or also, why a lot of petals? Oh, because those are the ones we'll harvest first.
Yeah.
That's a good point. I like the idea of
when we're close to
either when we're close to the right-hand side, or probably the most petals is more important. Yeah. I'm down to just try a run where we only water the sunflowers that are the max petals.
Sure.
Like, do So we tried 13, let's try
10.
10. We'll binary search it.
So we're saying get water is less than 0.5. That's when we use water. It's a lot faster.
Wow. Better time, yeah.
We cut that down a lot.
Cut that down a lot, okay. I kind of think there's a way for us to run a set of simulations and aggregate the results and graph them, you know?
Yeah, that'd be useful.
I think there is, because we have the simulate function.
Yeah.
We can run that multiple times.
Just in a loop.
Run it in a loop and like save the results somewhere. So we were going through the code, making optimizations, and we saw that the biggest room for improvement we have is avoiding harvesting sunflowers before they're fully grown. And this happens the most like right after we've planted all the sunflowers and we're going back and harvesting all the petals with, or all the flowers with the most petals, because those are the ones that we get the most power from if we harvest them first. So when that's happening, when we get these premature harvests, we get 0 power if we're harvesting before it's fully grown. So we found like 2 toggles in the code that we can play with to try to, you know, minimize the chance of these premature harvests. And without going into details, we ran like a ton of simulations, which is the thing you can do in this game. And essentially we found that like a certain water threshold that we target at a certain petal count would get us the best time. So at 11 petal count, this water threshold, really good. But the ideal spot was right here in this zone. So if we run this right now, you'll see that this ended up being really good. Let's see what it gets to. So yeah, this time it didn't perform as hot, but you can see that one of the times we ran it, we got right into the 10th place on the leaderboard there with 34-36. So pretty happy with that. Yeah, we weren't sure if we could get the top 10 on the script, but looks like with some minor improvements and some minor data analytics, we were able to get there. Pretty fun. What do you think? Any final thoughts?
No final thoughts right now.
All right, let's just stop recording then.